Bardeen AI not working with Google Sheets. Yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when your automation can't send or pull data. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, disconnect and reconnect your Google Sheets account. This refreshes the integration and fixes most issues. Next, make sure you allow all permissions during setup. Yeah, missing access can block data from syncing properly. Now, check if your spreadsheet is accessible. If it's private or restricted, Bardeen won't be able to use it. Okay, make sure you selected the correct sheet and data range. Wrong selections can cause errors or prevent data from showing. Next, run the automation manually. Yeah, this helps you understand if the issue is with the integration or the workflow itself. Also, update the Bardeen extension. Older versions can cause bugs or integration issues. Now, clear your browser cache. Corrupted data can break integrations and cause errors. If you have other extensions enabled, try disabling them. Yeah, some can interfere with Google services. Finally, try using another browser. This helps rule out browser-specific problems. So yeah, that's how you fix Bardeen AI Google Sheets integration not working. One of these steps should get your data syncing again. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.